Don't tilt your crown, sis. Not for pressure, not for pain, not for people who couldn't handle your shine in the first place. You're too golden to dim, too chosen to fold. Let's go. She been through storms, but she never broke. Carried whole mountains while they laughed and joked. They said she was too much, but never enough. Now she walked past them quiet, pretty and tough. Her story ain't pity, it's power wrapped in pearls. A woman with wounds that rebuilt whole worlds. You can't